Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ban kentiu ya kawa lukha kabaran hakasnong Sonapur East Giant Hills District kum kawai naki jaka jngok kai perthai kinong ilam snong jong kani kasnong hakani ka kenti kila syam ya kasin jam kumno ban sandor bat ban penbet penbiang susu ya ki jingdon kam ban ponwandor ya kani kawa si benta na kani ka jing product syakani ka lunti hakani ka tayo balala lengba ka kanhon ka bla sengkerpang ban khmi tang ya kani ka benta ya ka balatem kum ka Sonapur Tourism and Economic Development Society la pelong ru ya kita masa baharukom harut jong kani kawa kabadan hakasnong ka baha bapo ke ilaka narpo ya ka balatem kum ka Lukha Festival 2019 ya kani kata masa la pelong haki ars ngilenter kata hakasitarek bar ka artarek mentau benai rempang ar hajar kat khandai ya ka bala wan ban plepat ba da menteri sarkar jela uba kermen cerla ubolong ru wei niki MLA narilom jantia na khriat constituency haka jelang lai don lang ru kinong kitkam jong ka Sonapur Tourism and Economic Development Society bakan top yu president uba daya pher bha lamare uskatri uba rangmon kempan bat kiwei de kinong kitkam ringkat urang ba snong uba Edmund lamare bat kiwei de kri pokmat kani kathan haka ni ka jelang play kani ka Lukha Festival nakalyang kinong kitkam jong ka kanhon bala pelong kani ka tamasa kila IT ru da kador khas shauba kerman chilla hakaba labo ya bon kimat jingdawa ban kentiu ya kakam jngok kai perthai hakawa Lukha bat la pensong konru ya kejelang da kijingruai bat kijingsat tenrai
ke festival ongi pelutsan ya ke pisa lene ka tamasa penbernya ya kate ke jingim yang ikna khenru MQ he ongi kate ka tamasa yang ki perthai ndre nga opi kani to ka tamasa perthai I nga kamu presiden yang ke Sonapur Tourism and Economic Development Society Ledo watong inga kamu general secretary yang kacnong Sonapur ke jing siau kia ya kacnong ban ya kani ka thai ni urak kawi bonsen nga manala chi ki thau yang dari India depai ki thau to kani ka thau yang I hanpia kani ka spa chonggo hani hawa Lukha yang I hanpia em kami ya kani ka spa ko em hani hawa Lukha kamte I de fomi ya ka Sonapur Tourism and Economic Development Society te hagaji krelang wa usketri wa amburo mangi te do takmon el kompat hadin udah register ya kani ka society yang I chimi ka meeting onge kani ka society to du register hika to chimi ya ki senjam jiwo khia ba hap chimris bahai khnang wa kani ka jingthmu wa ka jingangnut yang ka dorbat senong Sonapur bo ya kani ka tourism committee society khnang wa uman ka wasaiso kamte da perkhat bahai da doar brai manchwa upenmani ya kani ka festival penmani ka ni dau wa I promote ya ka tourism hos ke yubi kate kani ka sarkar MDA NPP led UDP government ka promote bhaga ya ka tourism kamte I hos ke woro chikatu yubi kani ka Lukha man ka blue white kani ka Lukha TV ka deadly war onge Nre kate ram di blue ga I de perchangu le kan wala ibor hosket hagajing lain ti yang I ya kani ka Lukha Festival cipon gajinglut de estimate bahai ngau sekretari gajinglut mana hadok sanlak iramnya sponsor nainu le ngau sekretari wa hesnong lada losi habak ni lada usai de plale amperhi tang wa gajing tmu wa gajing angnut yang kacnong kathau yang I penman ya kani ka tourism ni uman kam sakhera khna wa ki khna yang kacnong yo isket kani bon ki wada pas ya kita ki graduation wat ya kita ki master degree le yo ki yo khan ki ada yo penman sakhet ya kani kathau yang I one of the tourist destination in East Giant Hills lane one of the tourist destination hapo hini hajala Meghalaya yang I ho sakhet kani kathau yang I mana thawa Yusuf bah, lada yo ya kita ki skim, yang ka sarkar lada kita ki ongi ki special package. Hosker waro chikatu yobi, ka East Giant Hills yobi, ki khubor was ngausi, wajah ha East Giant Hills. Bad news, sad news, ngasa Shillong, Great Shillong, mana pure khubor wa cheme ki pralok, nga Shillong ngausi hawato nga to nani na East Giant Hills. Kamte kani ka festival manga ka khubor penyuai hakim media piki media to highlight bahabi kenim to ka good news ya ke East Hills hos kher borok katu cikatu ki media highlight ni sepang ki bad news pai ya ke East Hills ngau ngopi East Hills to du lagi du ka mining gold mining le limestone mining em ka thau ka bahau yong i u promote tourism hakini ki thau yong i
East yong i em ngibon kita ki resources wala dengar pi penem kami ka mango gani ka spa ba ni bentayong i la di pai cepo kendau ki mar po kendau ki bam yi deu nyau la di pai ki ba yu chejrong lom ki den ki se ki marat ki wa ki dok kha bon jai ki jing i yong blai hadu ki bru ki chong ha gani ga district ki yong i la man ki bru ki em ki tek mensen ki wa approach chakijing baha hos kiat kamu deklam yang piyudaya bonsen joong hi katu gani ki bro joong hi keligi yanga ong gi makermen. Is it safe to go to East Jaintia Hills? Ong gi hadu kan nu siao chngan yi iblai chi East Jaintia Hills ni ba marsen jia ki jingjia ki per bon ki bro ki batenyo wan sini kidang mun ki iro imani kam kita ki barbarians ki wom Kenya kate ga jing im yong ki bro handrenga ongo next ni balang ba ki prolog media was spread ki yagni ki news wo i ki jing ang no yong i wom to ham you know hana ki jing ang no yong i to approach cheki bi wan ki bro bar kam jole ko le ki ukringi ki chakni ka than yong i ne bantau promote yakni ke resources wadi yoi tengah next ni sia em hope ba lamba ni ke program lamba ke jing champang yang ni ke no pelai ngangai scheme over hagubi ke sni ki East Jaintia Hills kamu da ong ni ba wa hagubi ke sni try bom yo de dang thau chong le wan ki bru chak ni ke thai
Naduk pagadon kena ka lapor menswa kalong nang ne ngibun kinong song hangi ki imja na kena ka waluka ha ka bakwai pat kunta kun ter ki dakwai ki pendon kam yo no to ka bakwai ki yo bentet khau tet e hajing don kam jongki ki hadin katu kena snam arajan riu mut lak long no kena ka waluka da wo pembe pat de kala long blu hadin do to kete kala kamduna ki dok kha kamduna baya mentahi le kala duna se ko pelat pat kinong susong jongi ru kila du jimun toy si ka de na kena ka waluka unjuk long kum long menswa kena ka long kum ne phi menne rong ala da ikren hang tu na du sitri unai me arja kotra ngi ko machnong snapur ngeliyo pan pelong ya kawe komiti bat ngela seng ru ya kene ne benta bangin pemi ya kilat kelimti ban penek pesak ya klu ka kidok kha kidok ke terusim mun sing kan mata ba penyo kam yo jam ikna kene ka long tang ka jing sedang bat kene ka long first time ka jongi bengi ngile ta ngimtip ke ka balolong la sai ngimtip ka ni jing sedang kene kang kata ka jing temu jengi kun basnong ngile ya kene ka thong jengi ban pelong ya kene ka tourism kalong na benta ban promote ya kene ki jaga jongi mar kene ki jaga jongi yu i ba kilong ki ba kambiang na benta ban promote ya ki jaga ba kam yu na ka daw ngila pelong ya kene ka tourism kene ka de ka ban menongkong ban pelong ya kene ka lukha festival tingi kum ka society ngi dang syam sitom na mar ba ngimpat experience du kata-kata ndeng na persyang manle ya kene ka benongkong ka de ka finance na ngidon kam ya ka namar ngi kum ka session ngimpat don ka pisawat sitingkaru ngidon kam ban thet ya kini ki boat rowing
kumjuk kini ki life jacket nang ta kiten namar mentang isu simwai na ki wai pat ki perlok kata kalau ke ba dengkam yang bangin yo ya pesa nak kita ban pendon kam ikine namar la ngiyo ya kata ngila ban pendon kam man la kesni man la ka por untuk man la usnem
hakini ki ars ngilantar ki jingi la kai ki bala pelong ki kentop ya ki jingi kop king liang ki jingi kop jingi ki jingi kop ngam ki jingi kop la kai ball futsal bat kiwe ha ki jingi kop king liang la job do ba ri hok rambai ha ki jingi kop jingi la job do ba deni lamare ha ki kop ngam pat la job do ba wan ba rambai bat ha ki jingi kop la kai futsal pan la job da ka kan hon DJ game na po snong chirupi Hakan ikalempong nakabenta kitu kibawan nado kasngi ke baningkong. Bat kibakwa ban samiet lapan biang ru ye ki yeng share dara ni kiten hakaba kipat ba ki hak ban seo ke baduna ba. Bat nalor ke jing saki ye ki jing ko ba per kipat ba ki la ru ban pulot por hakaba syong leng bat kiwei de ki jing penbernya. Kawai ni Jacob ke bakam kering ikipat ba kadairu kerensan Jacob thai bhabriu ya ke balatem kum ke first Miss Narpo 2019 ha ke balai shimenta dah nyongut ki thai samla ki bana kisnang ba per ki ba ha papo ke ilaka Narpo ha ke ni Jacob ki thai samla ki bala job ki kintop ya ke samla Palmela Zosina Sungo ke balayo ra ikanam Miss Narpo ke baningkong nangta ke samla Napisha Pala kelayo ra ikanam baar kat ba kasamla mebarikas kelayora ikanam balai. Ya kan kerensan la bishar daki langut kinong bishar bakentop ya kekong sukini sutengah. Kekong hundaka luhun bat kekong simi kong tiang.
Feeling awesome, a bit nervous, but it's alright.
Yeah, it's good to be nervous sometimes. Yes. Anyway, my question to you is, if you were to choose any of your senses, which one will it be and why? I repeat, if you would have to choose any of your senses, which one will it be and why?
First of all, thank you for the question, ma'am. Very good evening to all the judges present here and to everyone. If I were to choose any of my senses, then definitely it would be my eye, because I could see all the beautiful things that God has created. And I am so blessed to have my eyesight, so that because my dream is to travel, and I could travel entirely throughout the world with my eyesight. Thank you so much.
Hello, America.
Hello.
My question is, what are the good things that you would like to tell the world about your district? Thank you
for the question, ma'am. The answer to my question is, I would like to tell to the world the good thing about my district is the thing that which you have witnessed within today, the beautiful of East Jaintia Hill, that is the Luka River, which is located here in Sunapurdi, the place where we are now. This is the good thing that we have been blessed as we, the people who are living here in East Jaintia Hill. Thank you.
Thank you. Hello, Pamela. Hi. How are you doing? I'm doing good, but I'm a little nervous. Okay. I have a question for you. The question that I'm going to ask you is that, what are the qualities that a real woman should have? Thank you so much for the question. Women have so many qualities in them, but according to me, the qualities a real woman should have is that she must be kind, compassionate, nurturing. She must be kind, understanding, nurturing, and she should be true to herself. Unless she is true to herself, she can never be true to others. Thank you so much. Thank you, Pamela.
Hi, Marilyn. You look gorgeous today. My question to you is, who is your favorite living legend and why? I repeat, who is your favorite living legend and why?
My favorite living legend is my mom and dad, because they are my biggest inspirations and my favorite memories. Without them, they are nothing to me. And I love you, Mom. I love you, Dad. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
Hello. Hi, ma'am. My question for you is, if 3 of you are on the same boat at Luka River, you, your boyfriend, and your sister, and it happens that the boat can carry only 2 persons, then whom will you throw from the boat and why?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. Well, it was a tough decision because both of them are important to me. But if I am left with no option, then I'll choose my sister. Because if anything happened to my sister, it's impossible for me to get under one. But if it's happened to my boyfriend, maybe then I can still find someone easy for me. Thank you, ma'am. Good evening. The question for you is, according to your point of view, which one is more powerful, money or education? Do you want me to repeat the question?
Thank you. Thank you for the question, ma'am. According to me, according to my knowledge, I think in today's world, technology rules the world. So I think education is more important than money. Money comes and goes, while education stays with the person forever. So education is very important. In fact, it is critical. Thank you.
Good evening, Vika. Good evening, ma'am. My question to you is, if you are born again, what are the things that you would like to change about yourself? I repeat, if you are born again, what are the things that you would like to change about yourself?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. I would not like to change anything in my life. I'm happy what God blessed upon me. Thank you so much.
Come on, Bhakti, come on, yeah. Okay, Bhakti, yakini contestant. Kinawi sumata ay kamian waro. Katu juga yami saya kerisol. You ya. Kemis kuning kongdong yongga. Narpo. Dong elega narpo.
the second runners-up, the Ligo Chaka, Miss Mebarikasi. Come on, Kapti, Baba. Kerpat Oyaka, Madam Seni Kong Tiang, Kamjo Ig Volunteer, Owan Egi, Ki Prize. Oh yeah. Congratulations to the second runners-up, Mebarikasi. Kublai Chipun, Madam Director. The first runners-up goes to Nafisha Pala. Nafisha Pala. Sabai ba thakti namatai Miss Sokini. Yeah, this is beautiful, right? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna propose you later. Oh yeah. Sabai ba ya thakti nebenta ka first runners up. Nafisha Pala. Em hạ xong snow uhap nhậu lắng mà.
Vâng, đến đây xin mời em cảm chúc của bọn cái
Congratulations, Yaga, first runners up. And the first Miss Nelpo goes to Miss Pamela and Sugo. Okay, come on. Congratulations to the winners. The first Miss Nelpo 2019, Miss Pamela S. Sugo. Sahabat Bapak Kapti yang winner first Miss Nelpo 2019. Hakti Bapak Citizen. Congratulations, the winner, the first Miss Nelpo 2009.
Tham tam e pergi Bapak boleh sebut dia cak ni. Okey, siapa Bapak?
Hakti.
Hakasing ke babot pan nalor ki weipat ke jel akai. Rensan hakapor janmiet hi kedai ke bakham krengi ki paiba syakani kelempong. Pat haka janmiet jong kani kasing ke bakhado jong kani ke festival. Haran san hakapor janmien keladon pat kejing penina mikiriam kiben ni ke fashion show. Hakani kesing bakhado alai don rengkat ru UMLA barem jong kani kathan uba hopeful baman uba lalong kumukongsan hakani jelang.
Terusnya kemen yong wa hapo kani ke isentiam I murab em penmani kini festival. Andrai nen dadon nen kesui bar hadon ne snyau kemen yo wa the you pelai baik ni kini ke festival. Tengah wa kani ke festival penmangi ka kani society lani kinong kit kami society em ki ke jingyo jangai wa kamno u thok ilat kiluti wa kamno u punyo kam punyo jam ya kinong sang bat khamtam ya ki khenro khlot ki wa the start the tip di bah kani kapor do kam do jam ta kani ka jing thmu yang kani society snow thoi wa ka jing thmu yang ka to wa kamno u penyo kam penyo jam ya kinong sang ti kam man kate bat kam jo le na ka banta ka pating ka wadawan snow thoi wa kani ka thau chayni chaliang mandaman ka forest ka kamati bi kena narko wildlife sanctuary Kawin ka sanctuary kepada pau bah pop state yang ini batkan juga kepada pau wat sabar yang state antesnya kemen yang pada em ga kini ke wildlife sanctuary siau thoi ba lembaga ni le mesti menggawi man gawi na ka bakri turis uwan patki batkan juga ya kibi di program dan kibi yepu ule mesti menggawi kagajing penmannya kini ke festival man ka kawi na kalak kawi na kalak wa yiu pun yu ya kani ka than sa kiwi ki thau ki wa mo po ka state bat kam jo le bat sabar yang ka state talomba kani ka festival ngaji wa mestap menggawi ki pat ba ang song snong yang ki snong ko pher po ka state bat kam jo le sabar ki tip bah pi ya ke jinglong yang kani ke than bat khamtam dia tip ya ke spa mariang ka em ha kani ke than ngangai mesti menewi ke spa mariang ka em kani ke than man ka win ka kring ya ke padba lagi senang per ngado ko state padan jula sabar buwan sa kani ke thau.
Round of applause for Emika Chilla.
I drive you crazy, shaking my money. You looking at me all the way over. Don't be shy, baby, just come on over. I just wonder.